Kobo Excel course, Session 1, Lesson 2, Excel formula for tracking staff expenditure. We're going to talk about if NETWORKDAYS.INTL, max and min, sum, data validation.
So we'll start with the staffing today, and hoping that we can have very clear image of how can we read stuff, and how can we calculate the correct projection for each staff. So we have the total salary, which is which gather all the expenditures for the specific stuff. So let's just try to understand this formula and calculate. I will consider all of these stuff. They work in a monthly basis depending on the actual days they are working. Then I will separate the staff to make some of them they are working in a full. We don't depend on the actual days. We depend on a month. Okay, so let's go and see the staff. The staff who is working for the non-profit organizations who we pay them as per their daily basis. Now, let's just have this staff who's Salwa Salim. She's a project manager. She's working for the project, female. Her basic salary 3,000. We pay the 3,000s depending on the actual days that she's working. Okay, it means that if it means that the actual days from the 1st of June, okay, so from 1st of June until the 30th of June, which means the actual days between this 1st June until the 3rd of June is 20 days. A part of the remove the weekends and remove the holidays, then we have like actual days in Kurdistan regions, 20 days. So it will be, let's just think like this, it will be equal her basic salary, which is 3,000, divided by 20 days. It means that Selwa, we pay her in June for each day she's working with us $150. In other words, it means that if Selwa, who is a project manager, if she is absent one day, then we cut $150 from her basic salary. You see, but as I said previously, that uh, some staff we pay them not depending on the actual days they are working. We pay them like monthly basis. Now this month is 3,000. It means 3,000. Okay. If there is leave without pay, it will be calculated like from 30 days. So it will not be like 20 days. It will be divided by 30 days. When that means we pay the staff and in like a month. So yes, they are not working in the weekends and the holidays, but we calculate 30 days. So these 30 days, it means each day that Salwa working is 100, which means if she has a leave without pay, then okay, what we cut only 100. So it depends on the policy. It depends on the human resource policy, whether they calculate 30 or 20. If it is like 30, it means it's easy. It's very easy. We can just put this formula here and then, but you'll go to the I don't say to the most uh, difficult one, no, but this one is very important for us to calculate the actual days for the staff who's working. We paying them the salary in a monthly basis, but depending on the actual working days, whether a part of the weekends, a part of the holidays. Let's go and see. Let's just analyze the formula here. Then we will divide this formula and try to go through this formula one by one. So this formula says, what does it say? It says if G9, okay, what's G9? This G9. If G9 is less or equal L6, which is this one, if this one is less, it means then we have another condition. If H9 is greater or equal to L5, this one, I mean, now we are calculating both. If this one is less than this, if this one is greater than this, okay. Then what I need is not workday. Not workday, we will have the max number of what? Of these both dates, then the mine number of the both dates, then number seven means we have Friday and Saturday holiday. Number six means we have Thursday and Friday holiday. I will explain this. Then again, multiply what? G9, J9, sorry, which is this one, divided by what? By the same, minus K9, which is the leave without pay, then the same. I will tell you why do we have the same again. Okay, so this is in general. It means here the calculation both for both dates. Here we have the dates of contract and the end. Here we need to put the holidays, and here we need to put the leave without pay. Maybe someone asks and says, maybe we have a staff. Now, in some organization we don't, but some organization we do. Maybe we have a staff who if works overtime, we pay him or her. At that time, we will have another column here. We will talk about that later. Now we have the basic salary. We just have leave without pay. Okay? We don't have assurance. We don't have fringe. We don't have overtime. We will talk or we add this one later on. Right now, this is basic salary and this is leave without pay. Let's go and try to understand it one by one. Okay, so let's go with details and see how can we calculate the days. So I will remove this one and I put equal. Equal net work days. Okay, now here we have start, end, and holidays. So it means we have start, end, and holidays. Here I will select start date is this one, then we have ended is this, then holidays is, let's just select somewhere here. Okay, then I put it, it's 20 days. Why this one happened? Okay, so let's go back. I want to put a place. I just control Z. Okay, this one is the holiday. Let's just select from F to J. Great. F to J. I put it in color just to check. They are holidays. I put it here holidays. Okay, the actual holidays in Kurdistan regions, we put it here. I in June we had some holidays. It was the 6th of June 2007 2014. Okay. So I'll go back here and see. So let's just check if it is real holiday in June. Uh-huh. Yes, it was Wednesday, 6th. Nice. Equal network day. Put it network days. Start date is this one. End date is this. And holidays is here. Nice. Done. It's 20 days. But what's the problem here? Why I prefer to use network days int. Network days int gives you exactly the 2 weekends in that month, which is Friday, Saturday, and so I prefer to use that one. I will say equal network days. My God, network days dot intl. Okay, then start date is this. Nice. End date is this one. Great. And what do we have here? We have weekend. Great. So we just select Friday and Saturday, which is number 7. I put it 7. Then we have the holidays here. Nice. I close it. I have now 19 days. Why this? Because before now they selected, which is common in the older world, that Saturday and Sundays are the weekends, while in Iraq we have Friday and Saturday, which means in June, sorry, if you go and see, you see here the first day of it's Friday, while the last day is uh, it was Saturday. Now, if it is only Saturday and Sunday, then we have one extra days. That's why it calculated at the beginning 20 days. But when I just selected Friday and Saturday, it calculated 19 days. So if you calculate Sunday until Thursday and so on, then you will have 19 days. You see? Anyway, a part of this, which is Wednesday. You see? Yes. So for me, finally, I just selected network day. We agreed on that. That's fine. But the question why I have max and min. So if you see the formula before now, we had the max and min. Max and min just to give me the last, we have here the 1st of June, okay? Then we have the 30th of June, okay? And then the 30th. So I want the between this number and between this date and this date, I want the max number, the min number, which is this. I want between this one and this to select what the max number. Okay, so let's just see. Why is this? I will tell you. Okay, so I put it here, max. Okay, then max between this and this one. Sorry, I need to put it. mm, Okay, it is G9. G9. Then here the second condition, which is end date, is minimum. Okay, then what? It is H9. H9. Okay, done. 19. How you will like it. Now, this is the 1st of June, this is October. Great. Let's just have that. Let's just suppose that this staff was Selwa. She started the working from, let's say, 10th of June. Mhm, done. I will need to make it a number first because right now we are working with numbers. Okay, you see here it's selected what the max number between both of them. Now for this, let's just say that Selwa came just like 10 days. Okay, okay, nice. So she came and she left the same month. Oh my God. Uh-huh. And she stayed just like 10 days. Mm-hmm. It means she comes at the 10th of June and left at 20th. So let's see. It means she worked only nine days. Because if you calculate in June between the 10th, okay, where's the 10th? She came the 10th. Now one, two, three, four, okay, five, uh-huh, five, six, seven, eight, nine. That's it. If I put an holiday here, okay, let's just put the 17th is a holiday, Sunday, okay? So you will see what will happen. Uh-huh. 17th was a holiday. It means she actually worked 8 days. Nice. That why I just put here then the max and the min. Okay. The max and the min. Now let's move and see and calculate the formula with the others. Uh-huh. I will just say here this one multiply, okay, um this mhm, which is a salary. I want to have the actual okay, which is again I made a mistake, J9 divided by what, divided by what. Okay, so I need to have the actual divided by what, by actual working days of the month without uh min and max, the actual of between of these 2 months. Also I will make it copy, mhm, and sorry, I make this one copy and put it here. Okay, so I will remove max and okay, so let me write it from the beginning. It will be easier. Then what, divided by this, then this, then 7, then what, then here. Nice. Close it, then we close it again. Done. Mhm. I mean her salary is, if she is working such way, she will receive 1000, okay, 1200, um yeah, 263. Now I want to understand the last part, why I did this. Okay, I will cut this last part and try to put it in a separate formula. Okay, done. This is 8, it's very clear. I will come here and put it here. Now just equal. Nice. Now what does this mean? This means that the actual uh, salary in a daily basis for Salwa between the 1st of June and the 30th of June. Okay, so her salary is 3,000. 3,000. What does it? Oh my God! Every time we go back to this, what does it mean? Okay, how much her salary per day Her salary per day is 1,000. Oh, sorry, 157. Okay, this is her salary. Nice. Now I will multiply the actual day, which is here 8, okay, with the base daily rate for Selwa. So I will just say here, multiply number. Done. It is, you see, the same. But I don't want to make it like many of them here. I'll just calculate both of them in one formula. That's why I just made it like ups and then cut. Sorry, I come here and paste here. Okay, again, we are with the formatting. You need to make it general. You see the salary? Nice. Hmm. What if Selwa left one day between these 2 days? Okay, she left one day. Nice. So let's just say this one minus this day. Nothing will happen because it was 1,269. Then we minus number one. Okay, you see, it was it is something unacceptable. So we need to minus this one when this one means the money. Okay, which means another formula. Okay, we say here equals equals net work days what net actual one uh this comma this then number 7, then holidays. Okay, then we close it. We Yes, now we have the actual our days. Then this one need to be yes, multiply with J9. Then we have the actual one, which is, oh my god, no, oh no. J9 divided. Okay, it takes this formula. So we have actuals, then actuals will be multiplied by the leave without pay. Then we have um, let's just try it on this one. Okay, multiply, yes, K9. Nice. Okay, so let's just say that the leave without pay is 2 days. Now we have 300. Great. Now we will make this formula minus this. We will close it. We close this one. Done. Come here, dear. Cut. Let's come here. Okay. No, that's not acceptable. So minus what? Minus this. Yes. Now let's see. Now her salary is 947. That's it. That's her salary. because she had 2 work days. There was a day in holiday, and she started work at the 10th, and she what? She left at the 20th. That says the meaning of this formula. Okay. Still, we have something to say about this formula. In the future, if you have any holiday, you just put your holidays here, then the other formula will read it automatically. Okay. Now what we need is we just drag. When we drag, we need to be very careful. We need to know where we should put the dollar and where we shouldn't put the dollar, because the dollar fixes the formula. Now here, this one need to fix only the letter. Sorry, need to fix only the number, while we make it the letter free, the column free. Here, you need to make the K free, okay, while we need to make this one fix it. So this is the game of putting the dollar. You need to be very smart, because it's not just kind of dragging and that's it. Because when you drag, if you see what happened, this one go down, this one goes down. That's why the formula doesn't need very well, but this one goes well. So if you go to the other one, you see it's completely unacceptable. You see this date comes here. That's why we need to fix. We fix what? We fix this one both. Okay, let's fix them. So we need to fix. We click the L. So whenever we see L, we just need to fix what? We need to fix the number. So here number 6, then L, here L, here we have L. Yes. So we need to fix all of these. Okay. We put the dollar. Here L. Whenever you see dollar, dollar, dollar. What is we can see L? I think we did with all. Fine. This one is fixed, but the date, you see, the holiday goes down. Okay, let's fix holiday. What is a holiday? It's F to J. Nice. We come here, we fix F to G. F to J, sorry. Where is it? It's here. F. Nice. So we fix what? We fix everything. So we select here. Okay, and click F4. Sorry. Nice. Nice. And then this one as well. Haha, we have it. Now we are fine. We are in a safe place. Great. So let's drag. Yes. Okay. Now we start dragging and see where is the problem. I will move to the second. Copy, paste. What is going on? Aha! I wanted to do this one as well. This is done. This is perfect, but I need to fix something here. So I'll go back. Need to fix H and J. I need to fix the column and make the number free. Yes, because I will go down. Nice. So I will fix the column. So column G. Whenever I see G, I will fix it. Where is it? G, G and H. What is H? This is G. Where is H? This is H. We have only 2. Okay. So I will copy it and put it here and see again. Oh my God, what do we have here? It's the basic salary and the leave without pay. So the leave without pay, we make it free, but the basic salary need to be fixed as well. So it's J, 9. We go back and make the J9 fixed. J9, this one is J9. So we make it what? We make it J fixed, while 9, we make it free. Okay, this is fixed. Here as well, fixed. Anything else? J? No. Done. Let's copy paste and see. Again, what's going on? Everything is fine. Where's the problem? The problem, my dear, is here. Now we want to calculate something, but actually it's not existed. It is minus. That's why we need to put another formula, which is if. Now, what do you want to tell people? What do you want to tell, sorry, the Excel? We say now calculate between these 2 months and where is the holiday and whether they are bigger than, but they are not. Here the cell was started the 10th of June and left at the 20th of June. So her salary shouldn't be calculated here in July. Okay. So the July need to be 0. Okay. So if we think like this, it means we need to put a formula which is if H9, which is the end of contract, okay, if H9 the end of contract greater or equal to the last day of the first day of of the month, which is L5, L5, then give me true, otherwise give me this for condition. Okay, now I copy, I paste it here. Nice. I don't have it anymore, but the problem is that I didn't fix it as well. So I need to fix, because if I go here I see I need to fix something, which is L6. Okay, so if I come here you'll see it comes here. There's something wrong. Now you see it comes here. So I need to fix L, and I want to fix number, and for age I need to fix H. Nice. Aha, now I have it. Okay, I put it here, then fine. I see this formula. Great. Now it doesn't calculate this, but it calculated this one. Why? Why this has happened? Now let's just see why this has happened. Now the end date, actually the end date is not greater than this one. Now I need to go back to another formula. This one shouldn't be greater than this first one, and again this one need to be less than this, the last day. So in this way I will have this formula fixed. So I will add another condition. The second condition is this. It is, I will copy paste, I will copy this one, I will cut this one and put another condition. The other condition is if, okay, if if G9, okay, if G9 less, sorry, less or equal to to L6, okay, then give me this, otherwise give me false, then we are nice. What does it mean? If I copy paste, I put it here, now it's done. Haha. Okay, what does that means? But the formula didn't read very well. It didn't goes very well because it goes down. Let's just fix everything and see what's going on. Let's fix G. G need to be fixed? Yes, need to be fixed. Number 9? No. L need to be fixed? No. What's need to be fixed? It's number 6. So let's fix number 6. Here we forget anything then to be fixed? No. Now we have everything. Let's just copy paste and you will see that we have everything. Now the formula calculates very well. Um, let's just see. Now, what did we understand from if, the first if? The first if means if October, so you see if N6, this is N6, okay, and this is G9. Don't focus on both. Okay, let's just try to highlight both of them and understand the formula. Okay, and put it, sorry, this one here. So for us to understand what does that mean, then we have this. Okay, nice. So let's understand what happened for the second one. For the second one means, no, let's just focus on the orange one. Now, which is greater? It's the 10th of June or 31st of, okay, for sure it's this one. This one is greater than this. This is condition, okay? Now, that's why July is included. Now the second one is the October and July. Which is one less? It's this one. So this one is included. So 1st of July until the 30th of July, both of them is included between 10th of June until the 31 of October. Okay. So let's just put something else. Let's just put here another date. Okay. The date is okay, here let's just put of July. You see it calculate only that number. So let's just put this one out of July. Okay, so let's just see here, yeah, August. If this stuff started in August, that's it. Let's just put something wrong. Now we put it here, for example, 6. Oh my God. Let's just put here, it doesn't calculate. It doesn't calculate all of them. It gives you 0 because the formula depends on if condition. So that one's wrong. Nothing is calculated. Great. So I will go back to put it number 8. So only. So if I copy this formula and put it here, then again I have it only for between these two specific date. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have learned very well from this formula and how can we calculate. The next lesson, it will be even in more details about the staffing and how can we add insurance, freights, and other allowance for the staff, and then link all these expenditures with the tracking here in the project using advanced formula, which is some product and some ifs. And finally, we have a human resource plan, which is we call it HR plan. Thank you very much for watching and see you next lesson. Bye.